I find the greatest problems of working at home to be the interruptions and the distractions that naturally arise when there's other things happening in my life. I've got a 3-year-old who demands a fair amount of attention, and my wife and babysitters can't always cover the 24 hours a day that she needs to be taken care of. So sometimes it falls to me to spend afternoon time or morning time with her. Also, there's the usual kind of home repair projects that distract me and begin to look more and more attractive as the particular work I'm doing at home gets more and more boring. And I've got to be disciplined about focusing in on the work I have to do rather than going off and doing some little project I want to do. The rewards are clear. I've got much better control over my time and schedule since I don't have to be at a particular place every day sitting at a particular desk. I can much better choose when and where to work, and that's very important to me. I know it's not quite as important as some other people. Also, I don't have to spend an hour or two each day commuting by